Matatag K-10 Curriculum, Math for Quarter 1, First Periodic Test Reviewer. Answer all the questions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What is the measure of a right angle? 90 degrees. Number 2. Which tool is used to measure angles? Protractor. Number 3. Which angle is smaller than a right angle? Letter D. Acute angle. Number 4. If an angle measures 120 degrees, what type of angle is it? Obtuse angle. Number 5. What type of angle is formed when the hands of a clock show 3 o'clock? Right angle. Number 6. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. Number 7. What do you call a triangle with all 3 sides of different lengths? Scalene triangle. Number 8. What type of triangle has one angle that measures exactly 90 degrees? Right triangle. Number 9. Which quadrilateral has opposite sides that are parallel and all angles are right angles? Rectangle. Number 10. What is the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral? (360 degrees). Number 11. What is the formula for finding the perimeter of a parallelogram? So the answer is letter A. Number 12. If a rhombus has a side of length of 8 centimeters, what is its perimeter? Letter B. 32 centimeters. Number 13. A trapezoid has sides measuring 5 meters, 7 meters, 8 meters, and 10 meters. What is its perimeter? The answer is 30 meters. Number 14. How do you calculate the perimeter of a trapezoid? Add the lengths of all 4 sides. Number 15. What shape has 2 pairs of parallel sides and all sides of equal length? The answer is rhombus. Number 16. What is the formula for finding the perimeter of a composite figure? Add the lengths of all sides. Number 17. If a composite figure consists of 2 triangles with side lengths of 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters, what is the perimeter of the figure? Letter C. 24 centimeters. Number 18. What type of quadrilateral is formed when 2 triangles with equal side lengths are combined? Answer is parallelogram. Number 19. How do you write 456,789 in numerals? So the answer is letter B. Number 20. What is the place value of the digit 5 in the number 572,381? The answer is 100,000s. 21. Which number is written correctly in words? So the answer is letter B. Number 22. What is the value of the digit 7 in the number 378,920? The answer is 70,000. 23. How do you write 695,200 in words? So the answer is letter A. 24. The digit 4 in 47,892 represents 4 blank. So the answer is 10,000s. 25. What is the correct symbol to use when comparing 372,456 and 378,921? So the answer is letter B, less than. Number 26. How do you round 684,529 to the nearest 100,000? The answer is letter C, 700,000. 27. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order: 912,345, 908,765, 923,456. So the answer is letter C. Number 28. Which of the following numbers is greater than 432,198 but less than 432,200? So the answer is letter B, 432,199. 29. What is the rounded value of 251,789 to the nearest 10,000? So the answer is letter A, 250,000. Number 30. What is the symbol for greater than? Letter A. 31. How do you write 789,102 in numerals? Letter A. 32. What is the place value of the digit 4 in the number 346,987? Letter B, 10,000s. 33. Which number is correctly written in words? Letter A, 452,789. 34. What is the value of the digit 6 in the number 367,214? So the answer is 60,000. Number 35. How do you write 1,004,500 in words? Letter B. Number 36. Estimate the sum of 57,808 and 34,458 by rounding to the nearest 10,000. So the answer is letter A, 90,000. 37. What is the estimated sum of 246,882 and 143,468 when rounded to the nearest 100,000. Letter A, 300,000. Number 38. Estimate the difference between 589,833 and 275,817 by rounding to the nearest 100,000. So the answer is letter B, 300,000. 39. If the numbers 73,925 and 68,113 are rounded to the nearest 10,000, what is the estimated sum? Letter B, 140,000. Number 40. Estimate the difference between 498,764 and 253,671 by rounding to the nearest thousand. So the answer is letter B, 245,000. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.